Hello, back to Feed the Beast Affinity. I want to make a blast furnace. Some of the railing uh, for railcraft or what I'm going to be using. Steve carts or uh, right now I'm making the wooden ties. So I'm gonna let that build up a little bit. Now I need to make a blast furnace. I only have a few blaze powders and I got a couple rods. So I want to make the dolly. Let's get a little bit of iron. Uh, I've got a few monster spawns, but I don't have none for blaze. I think it's 3, it might be 2. Maybe slap the dolly in like that. And I think it's 3. Yep. Let's stop over at the garbage can. Until I can make a spawner spawn for spawning. I might have to go with I don't want to do a couple make more pumps. Let's see. I'm gonna run up there and get that thing. I'm gonna take it back to the house and use it. If I can get in there. Shift click. Good. And let's head back. I think you get yeah, this thing will weigh you down. And the bad part, it don't tell you what's in the dolly, so you have to actually drop it and look in there. So I'm not gonna throw it in there, but if you put it in there, it lifts you up. So it's like you got a big weight. So take him down here. Dragging myself. And I built this little room. It's only temporary. I'll knock it down because back here's where I want to put the blast furnace. And I'm going to put him right here on the wall. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to put that over top of it. First kill. I think one of it would have been alright. One rock, I just put that up there. We're staying, I put that up there. Still couldn't spawn over top of it. I didn't need to put the other one. It sure as hell don't want these things to get out in the world because they'll burn everything up. But yeah, I changed it and I put sharpness on it. Gave me more damage. If I'm ever going to get some more rods. I wonder what that is over there. It's all. It's orange or something, whatever it is. We'll get about 10 of these rods. I think you get 4 apiece, maybe 5. Maybe just 5 rods. We'll give me a new hat. So far, 1 rod. I got 10 of them. These little flyers in the desert, you can get them out of there. When I make the spawner downstairs, that's what I'm leading up to this. I'll probably have them spawn down there. I don't know what all you use blaze rods for. A few things. Use some ender stuff. And they're not giving up a lot of rods. That's what 5 or 6 and then killed them. Got 2. Of course, now with the need to put some fire protection on. Shoot, I done lost my train of thought there. That ain't hard with me. The thing is, the note with that big torch I made for things not to spawn, things won't actually spawn in the area, but spawners and things you create to spawn, they'll continue to spawn. Give me 2 more. One more. Put that spawner back, or that dolly. That's the bad part. You use a dolly and the UT's when it goes down. You probably pick up maybe 4 things with it, and it ain't no good. Let me turn my TV down. Sure, that sounds pretty good in the video. They figure as long as these things take to spawn, you would get more than just 1. Maybe get 2 at a time, but and that'll work. Get this down, shift, click, and set this in the inventory. Yeah, I've got I think spatter. I don't have no creepers, but I got spatter and stuff like that. I'll probably end up breaking all them spawners we use for we gotta take his wall down. Probably better use an axe on that, but okay, let's go up here and see what we have. Let's see. We need Dita Brick, Soul Sand, and let's see. They got some cool, that worked out pretty good. It was a Magna Cream we're working on. Well, you get sulfur from it. Well, we got 20 of them, 30. I have a couple more blaze rods if I need to put them down. I'll see how many this gives us. Well, we got 30. Now we need some Put a couple stacks of this. And I think that's going to be enough. Just put that in there. We don't need the wood. I know. If I had a couple more, I'd have had a. Well, let's just start with what we have here. We get rid of some of this stuff. Yep, I'm going to keep that. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Let's see what kind of loot we got. It's probably usually gold coins. Gold coins, and they always give you a hat. Let's go ahead and put these back in. They'll get back in as nuggets. I got them set up and get back in the system. What would I do put in there? Can't put in there. What about putting here? Nope, can't do nothing with it. Junk. Alright. Now this is going to be a 4 high. Let's see it. Oh, they may actually give that the same look as 3 off. Should have brought it down. I could have maybe got another one in there if it needed it. My pickaxe has a shovel built in it, so I know there ain't nothing going to spawn in this room, but I'm going to fill in the hole anyways. Oop. There we go. And let's see what we can get out of this. I don't think we want anything in the center. And there we have it. Now we need some iron. I just put some back too. Stack of that. Go over and get a. Let's see. If you put one of these covers in front, you can open up your chest. If you didn't know, that works pretty cool. If you put a regular block, as you do, or even one. Damn, I got some lag spikes there. Or even let's see. Face cade or whatever you call it. Put them in there. I don't think you can open it up. See, I think it goes up top. And I think all we need is something to bring it out and put it in a chest. For one to, and maybe I should have put that on the ground. It might be able to feed it off the side with a hopper. It's not a whole lot you're going to use unless you go into industrial craft. See what happens if we put that in. Yep, it's in. Let's get another stack out of here. Let's throw it in here. Oh, it's using it. Yep. And then we just need to should be done. Wonder if they'll feed in on the side. That'd be instead of having to reach up real high. But let's do it automated. But what more you can really use that for? So you really don't need uh, don't really need a whole lot of steel and stuff. Might use a couple stacks. Alright, let's go over here and punch a hole in the bottom of this. Pop that in. That's good. Put that extract. Always active. And then insert. Let's see. Did it take it? Oh, I forgot. It's not going to let you see. That's what I was talking about. And apparently it did pick it up. Let's bring it over here. Get 2 more pieces of conduit, what I was thinking of. Get that, put that down. Well, didn't need 2 of them, but it's shape. If you click the top of it, it'll disappear. And let's put that one on insert. Gonna put them 2 in there. See how far it's off. Should be ready to pop another one in a second here. And there we have it. All right, and so I think we need 2 of them. If you never use this for, just take the block you want to put in and make your face cake. And I think they're probably the right color. Or the right block. I just click on it, and that does help. That is nice. And get my saw out. Take one of these blocks, put it down, trim it down one more time. I think I need 1. And let's see if we can get that in there. And you can get in, and that's pretty cool. If I need to make another blast furnace, I'll put it right in here. But for now, that's pretty cool. This would be the, I don't know what room you would call it. But yeah, that's a pretty easy setup. And of course, we got the crease stage still going. We've got enough. We can start making some ties. I'll stop this eventually, and I don't know where to put a tank at for it. Maybe I might move this over. I don't know, and put a tank in here, or might have enough room right here to put the tank in, just to store it, just in case you decide to make a boiler system. Okay, thanks for watching.